Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss the Cisco Modeling Labs or CML. What is it? What does it do? How can you use it? And where can you get it? And then later videos, we will show you how to install and how to build topologies in that platform. So if you search from Google and just write Cisco CML, it will take you to this page, Cisco Modeling Labs. If you click on that link, then it takes you to this page, which gives you an overview of the whole platform. It's a web-based platform. You can use it, as it said here, to design, test, troubleshoot, and build your environment on a virtual lab. You can actually create proof of concept for your design and test it. Sometimes when you have issues and you just want to replicate that issue on a platform and troubleshoot, you can use it for that as well. If you are preparing for exams like CCNA, CCNP, and even DevNet levels, you can actually use this platform to study and practice. For teaching, I'm using it for that. In these videos or series of videos, I'm planning to show you how to automate network configurations and use the CML. There are the platforms which are probably you are familiar with, just a basic simulation of Cisco Packet Tracer. You learn the concept on that, but there's a limitation of what you can do. In this platform, you can actually run multiple devices, both Cisco and a third party. We will cover what those operating systems, what those versions you can run. But first, understand what it is. And if you want to get it, there are paid ones for both enterprise, for education, and for personal use. Personal use, you've got two types, and it's mentioned here. So you can have personal, which you can pay for $200 US, $199. It covers about 20 Cisco devices. And personal plus, which covers about 40, and it costs this much. There is also the enterprise one and the education one. The good news is there's a free version where you can actually practice, but with limitations. Up to 3 devices you can run at the same time. You can build your topology of a number of devices, but you cannot run them all at once. You need to run only at the limitation of 3. So how do we get this? Again, if you search Google and you say CML free download Cisco, you will see this link. I will share this link in the description. It takes you to this page, which gives you the downloading for CML, downloading CML files. And if you don't have an account, first of all, it tells you what to create an account, go to your account, go to downloads. It gives you some steps of how you get it. And then it explains what offerings are there. But if you go to this link, CML free, then it takes you to this page, which covers what is the free version and what it covers. Then you might have an account already. If you don't, then you need to click on this link and you sign up. You will get an email from Cisco. Then you will validate that email. They will validate, and then they will allow you to access and download that free version. I've got an account, and when I log in and I go to that link, it gives you these versions that are available. I need 2 files. One is the software itself, and one is the images I'm going to run. So the platform I'm using is VMware Workstation, and this is the one I have to use, Cisco Modeling Labs 2.8.0. This is the current version, and it's used for VMware. Supported hypervisors can be found in the CML installation guide. Bare metal is over here. So this is the one we need. And then I need the ISO file. This has the images that we're going to run on the platform. I downloaded these 2 files. So if you click on here, you will download both. When you download those 2 files, we need to see the release notes and also the installation documentation. So here, installing free CML free, it gives you the installation guide here, and then it provides you the system requirements, how you install it, and then some important steps you have to take. For example, when you install, first of all, it may take the platform to load. You might be tempted to press OK, which I did, and it might fail. The installation may fail for this version. So this is mentioned in the release notes. So if we go to the installation guide, it gives you some idea how to install it, and it tells you some warning here actually. And so if you go to the release notes for this modeling labs, there is the important part you need to be very aware of here. And after the reference platforms are copied to the disk, and the initial setup wait for a couple of minutes. I wasn't waiting, so I click OK, and then it failed. So just read before you install, read the release notes. That's very important. And when you've got those files and you have the release notes and you're clear of the steps, then start installation. So on a separate video, I'm going to show you how to install that platform. Thank you for your time and see you in another video.